a long day rain has stopped. Greenery is shining, trees, plants looks happy. On my left hand, the people have come out of their home on the pedestrian track, while on the left I can see the daffodils of the William Wordsworth smiling and dancing happily. Today I will let you see how look likes Bolzano, northern city of Italy, before and after rain. Let's search and travel together Bolzano. I am Wasim Raza for ATV Bolzano, Italy. Rainfall is always beautiful, romantic, but not for all. The people who sleeps under the bridges or stays under the bridges, for them rainfall is not romantic at all. Monsoon season starts from March up to May, and then there is another spell of the rainy season that which starts from September till November and October. But October, November, the rains are very heavy. Normally, which is recorded. Now we are in May. In these days, when we are going to record this video. So, and whatever you have seen in these days, we have observed also that the heavy rains have not been, but we can say when starts and when finish, because this spell for the last 2 days was going on, which is at the moment is finished. Now at the moment it's not raining, but nobody knows when it restarts again. A short visit of Bolzano. Here we end, and for the next tour to Bolzano, we will take you to the surrounding of the city. Until then, Raza Wasim, Bolzano, Italy.